Hello, and thank you for watching this short video. My name is Paul North, and I'm the founder and MD of Illuminis Insight Software, home of the Illuminis Business Intelligence solution for SMEs. Our offering to SMEs is unique. We combine reporting software along with data analyst support as part of a single monthly fee. Now today, I want to tell you how we can help when you're moving from one ERP or accounting system to a new one. This is a common thing that happens to businesses. Over time, they outgrow their original system and it's time to move on. Typically, you will engage consultants who will help you select the right system for your business and then prepare and install it. Classically, you need to transfer all of the base data from your old system. Your list of customers, your list of stock, your list of suppliers, and also set up the chart of accounts, all those kinds of things. But you know, what pretty much never happens is the transfer of all of your old transactional data, such as all the sales orders and invoices, purchase orders and invoices, and so on. Typically, to do that from one system to another is a very big and difficult job, and therefore very expensive. So you don't feel you can justify the expense, and so you decide to make do without it. You rely on the fact that if you really need to, so for example for HMRC purposes or whatever, you will have a PC still around somewhere which can access the old system, so someone can log in and get historical information if they need it. From an operational point of view though, that really is a second best solution. It cuts you adrift from all that past history, which is so valuable when you want to compare current and past performance. But this problem doesn't arise for our clients. With our Oneclick business information software installed, not only do you get one-click reporting on your current data, but you can see this seamlessly related to all of your historical information as well. This is because your Oneclick system goes every night into your accounting system and pulls in the latest data. So, just before your old system is switched off, we can take a final archive version, and then each night, as Oneclick grabs the updates from your new accounting system, the archive data is linked to it. And then by applying some mapping information, we can make sure that if, for example, the reference numbers of your customer accounts has changed, Oneclick will recognise that. All you will see is a continuous, seamless reporting of those customer accounts, along with all other naming changes, pre and post the switch to the new ERP. So now you will have access to all that information immediately, with no extra effort on your part, no one going back to spreadsheets or keeping the old system around and hoping you can remember how to use it. We can even do this retrospectively if you're new to Oneclick and have data in legacy systems. So remember, Illuminis is the one-stop shop for SME reporting, combining excellent, easy-to-use software with specialist advice and support, which is always on tap. I'd love to give you a quick demo and show you how you too can have the reporting you need at a level you really didn't think possible at this price. Email me or visit our website and get in touch. Thank you.